helmet. I'm Justin Mast.
I'm Nick Sievertson.
And we made a Spartan helmet for our final capstone project.
This is Sparta!
So first off, we're going to start by going through our panel that we made ourselves. It was completely empty when we got it, and this is what we ended up with now. So there's a lot of wiring here, and we did our best with what we had. And we did everything from safety circuits to safety relays to wiring to our robots, PLCs, HMIs. It all comes back into our panel and is powered to our panel. So, yeah.
This is our HMI. This is the main screen. There are a couple buttons there that take you to different locations in the HMI. Like this button here takes you to the press status, so you can go up and down using those buttons there.
And the slide, you can adjust.
Slide, as well as a pressure gauge. And then if we go back, we have a system status page. So this is our system status screen. We have both safety for our slide and our press, as well as a rectangle that shows if the slide is underneath the press or out of the press, and if the press is going up or going down.
Now we're going to talk about our press that we actually made for this process. So obviously here we engineered this entire press all by ourselves. There was nothing here before. We made it from nothing to here. And we did the math with the cylinders and the surface area with the cylinders. The PSI we're using, we're actually pushing like 6 tons. So it's pretty tremendous power we got going on here. But the idea with our press is to be able to crush our dome piece and face mask into shape, because there's actual curvature for your face and the curvature in the ellipse for your head. So yeah, that's the big idea with why we made a press.
And underneath the press, you can see where the slide slides underneath the press and out of the press for us to be able to material and extract material after pressing.
We ended up building all of our pieces on SolidWorks, the cutouts for our Spartan helmet, and as you can see, here we have our 3D models. We have the Spartan face mask, we have the dome, which is actually an ellipse, we have the headband, fairly simple piece, and we have the crescent shape for the neck guard.
So as you can see, this is our dome die press piece. This is where we actually press that flower-shaped dome into. This is our press piece that actually pushes that flower-shaped dome into that piece. And this here is our end-of-arm tooling, where we have a gripper on the side there where we can grab our pieces. We also have 3 holes for the suction, the vacuum tubes. We only have 2, but that's where they are placed.
So, what we have here in our process is our M6IT, our RJ3 robot, which is our material handling top loader. What you're going to be seeing here is it's grabbing our Spartan helmet materials, such as the face mask and the dome, and placing them on the die pieces on our slide. So now you can see that our robot is now grabbing our materials out of the press. And this is where we're going to take over and we're going to grab it and we're going to weld it together. So, as you can see in the video, our material handling RJ3 is doing all the work. Our ArcMate isn't going to be in the video because we ran out of time, so we ended up hand welding everything. As you can see here, we got myself welding parts of the helmet. Yeah.
This is where we hold them! This is where we fight! This is where they die! And these shields, boys! Remember this day, man, or it will be yours for all time! Action! Come and get them!
And just like, which means I promise.
Just like this.
And I try again. Go. Say it.
Just like this.